beautiful people. Are you recording?
Yeah.
Oh, hi guys, welcome back to our channel, Nesi Adventures.
We are vlogging today again. Finally, I met my queen in the space, in the building. You know, she's here. So yeah guys, we're off to Jonkershoek. It's gonna be fun, it's gonna be drastic, it's gonna be it's gonna be fun, it's gonna be drastic. We're off to Jonkershoek. Yeah, so today's gonna be interesting. Yeah. You look good.
Thank you. I feel fresh. I feel good. Let's go.
She looks fresh, like.
You look fresh too, babe. What's up, Bowen?
Come here.
It's my neighborhood, guys.
Welcome to the neighborhood.
Go. What's up?
Oh, sorry. Welcome to.
Excuse me. No, hunty. Welcome.
Welcome to the neighborhood.
Imagine, look at a horse. We don't have a horse here, guys.
So we need to get some supplies at the store.
Yes.
Quick
Some
fast.
water.
I fell in love with a hottie.
So annoying.
I fell in love with a hottie. She was so beautiful, yeah. So we're in the store. Gonna see what it does. If I had to be romantic now, I would buy these flowers unnecessarily. There's nothing wrong with it, guys. There's really nothing wrong with buying flowers for your woman. So what are we getting, baby?
We're getting water. Is that big enough?
So we got our supplies finally done at the store. Now heading to the destination. Alright. Open sesame.
Okay.
Buddha's a bit crazy right now. Money, money, money. Money, money, money. I can't forget them on top of the car. I lost the phone like that, guys.
Wow.
Legit. Lost the phone like that. Left everything on top of the car. Even forgot that.
Here
Our
we
hiking
go.
bag.
Hiking bag, baby. Big.
Girl came prepared, fam.
Starting route to Jonkershoek Nature Reserve.
Boom.
Head northwest on Marbella Street,
Shut
then
up.
turn right onto Bota Street.
Marbella.
GPS lady, come on.
I thought you said you didn't want me to see anything.
No, you can see the way, not the pictures. Come on.
I need to, you can put it down there.
She wants to, like, guys, I don't want her to see the pictures on maps of where we're going. This is a surprise. She doesn't know where we're going, so it's gonna be quite interesting, fam. Very
I hope
interesting.
it's really nice because, the way you think of this place.
Baby, I'm telling you.
Oh, it says Denver side, so you're gonna turn right. Have Ambili as well.
Hey, the closer GPS lead.
Hello. You're so
You're gonna
annoying.
turn right.
You're so annoying.
You're gonna turn right. It's Stellenbosch, guys. So you're gonna turn right.
Yes, I'm in my neighborhood, so this is how we speak here.
Oh, okay.
Yes, darling.
No, it's a very nice neighborhood, guys.
Beautiful.
I gotta go from a sawab seat. So a lot of things that we have in our backyards we tend to pay attention to, because most of the time we're stuck in our phones and we're stuck in what other people are doing. This is what Mang Mang and Mang Mang is doing. Fam, at the end of the day, you need to look in your surroundings, ask the relevant questions. Don't be shy to ask, where did you guys go? Where did you, ask those kind of questions.
What are you gonna tell them? Wait, no.
That's
People ask. What are you gonna tell them?
Look, like for me, I will tell you. And that's the point of this channel, that's the point of, my girl knows, like, I love, like beautiful, epic places in our backyard. And it's part of the things that I'm doing, and you guys are gonna see that, with the things that I'm doing with my other channels as well. So the things that I'm doing with my channel, with my other stuff, you're gonna see, like, I'm just about exploring things in our backyard, exploring places in our backyard, because at the end of the day, you are literally sometimes 5 minutes away from a beautiful location. That's all I'm saying. So guys, we're gonna show you some beautiful stuff. You're gonna come with us, and thank you so much for supporting us, and we love you guys. And yeah, I don't want to kiss me. Give me a kiss.
I wanna do so many things to you right now.
Can I have a kiss though? So, quick break, guys. Yo, I couldn't hold it anymore. I need to seriously go for a leak film. Like, I found a place. Don't piss in public, but oh yeah.
Look at that. Where the fuck is he going?
So tell us, how do you feel you're getting closer to the destination?
I'm excited. You've been hyping this place up, so I want to see what the hype is about. No pressure.
No pressure at all.
But, you know, let's see. Because he's been like, yo, babe, this is beautiful. Let's see.
Guys, it's worth it. It's worth it. So we're here. Where's your mask? These days, get the mask.
Yo, baby.
Mask.
It's a pandemic, and then.
Okay, so we're here to find out. We're gonna see what it does to the entrance.
Book online for Friday.
Yo, hectic. Before 10 a.m. Nah, my bro. They never said that. They never said all of that. They literally never said all of that. But it's fine. We'll walk it out. It's chilled. I found parking already, so it's fine. We're just gonna see what's happening. So I can't just walk in.
No, you can't just walk in. You need to have a permit.
Oh.
You go to that table, you register, get your permit, and you're good to go.
Thank you so much, man.
Alright.
And where do we get the maps and stuff?
They will give you one.
Okay.
Do it quickly because Bavan. He walks slow also.
Of course, some of us are slightly a bit disabled, but not too much, you know.
But you look good though.
Thank you. See you, Summer.
You look hot.
You make me look good. What can I say?
Wow.
What can I say? I mean, guys, like, damn. Look at my person. This is where we register.
So what you want? They don't pay.
No, we don't pay. It's for free.
So you get our permit now and then?
Permit to enter, then we're gonna drive in, go and park.
Oh. Okay.
We're gonna drive in and then walk from there to the first. Then we're gonna get our maps. We're gonna get our maps and everything, and then yeah, survive. Hey, how's it going, brother?
I'm fine, thanks, and you, bro?
I'm fantastic, man. So we were asked to come and register here. We were sent by that lady. We want to go to the 2 waterfalls. Yeah, is it open and stuff?
Yeah, it's open, but I'm not sure about the parking. I don't think we have enough parking at the moment.
Hectic.
But people are coming out. Maybe by the time you get there, someone
Okay.
will came out and you'll find parking space.
Okay. All right.
You can stand there for so long.
Okay.
Hi, let's go to Navy Cap. Yeah, can you please go ask him? Yes. Just 2 of you guys.
Yeah.
So be held liable for your safety. You know, if anything happens, they don't know you're there. Even the baboons there.
Wow.
Even if boys tunes it. It's fine. Good news is, got in for free. We're gonna drive in for a bit. About 40 minutes drive. And then, yeah, we're gonna see from there. So, you can't believe we're driving for 40 minutes.
Like, what do you mean?
We have to drive for 40 minutes.
Babe, we're hiking.
We're not here.
Like,
No.
where are we driving to? To the mountains.
There's another parking.
Coming down, basically. At this point. Like,
Basically.
what? Where are we wiping? Yo! Hi, son. I'm the gabao.
Waterfalls. Hi, sorry. Is the parking and entrance
You just go. It's not a drive. You will see all the cars.
Yeah. Okay.
Just still a while to go.
But you can go in with the car.
Oh, okay.
Just go in, but you must just be careful.
Yeah.
Because otherwise it's too long because we're still walking.
You still walking?
We walked since Southeast 8 this morning.
Yo.
We went to two waterfalls.
2 waterfalls. Yeah. How are they though?
Very nice.
So will this map help us with the first map? The first waterfall.
And you will just stand by the first one. You will see there's a part up and then you just go.
You just go. So we don't need this map.
You can take it with. But otherwise just walk here.
Okay. Thank you so much, eh? Thank you.
Look at the mountains. Look at that, guys. Yo. I guess they direct you.
I had to get out for this one. I know.
Yeah, I know. Where do I hear water? It's here.
It's this side.
Like, hello. We see this.
I know, guys. Yeah. Beautiful. All right, let's go. We're not there yet, but we are gonna get there. We're not there yet, but we are definitely gonna get there. Me and my baby. So, this place is where we are now. Where are we?
We are at Swartboskloof, and we still need to go all the way to Tweede, Waterfall.
And then that's where our trip is gonna
Start.
So we're here trying to find some parking. We see people that are leaving, and yeah, we're gonna hike soon. We are quarter to hiking, so I'm excited. Are you excited?
I mean, so I just want to walk already. Like, damn.
Let me get my energy up. The way you say away I need to. But yeah, we literally just waiting for these people. No pressure to them.
They probably came in the morning.
Yeah, they probably came in the morning and stuff. But yeah.
And that's I said I walk 5.
It's 3. Somebody nearly left the map. So we might need the map. Imagine we get lost, we don't even know where we are from. So there's that. Please do not tell me, yo, hectic. You know what nearly happened now? I nearly locked the keys in the car in the fucking boot, guys. How wild would have been? Like legit. Imagine. We are in the wilderness, we don't even know where we are, and my ass would have locked the keys in the car. Sure.
More this view, baby.
Yes, my love.
Yeah. Imagine.
Where Lona, babe?
Me, honey. The one and only.
Tina soba veli. Sisa. Wapelu. Iyo awe.
Ding, ding.
Yeah. thina sobabili sihlangane njengamathenolimi
Thando
lwakho
shaya ngaphakathi.
waphela ulwazi na 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 na.
Yep, I don't know that part as well.
But I want you.
Okay, so
How's the surprise?
It's beautiful. This is as I previously said, I've hiked Lion's Head, I've hiked Table Mountain, and this is fire. This is beautiful. So thank you, my love. Like, this was a beautiful surprise. So I'm grateful. I appreciate you. Give me a kiss. Everything is cute now. Good nice, yeah, hike. Sisaya. By the time I get back here, yeah. So we're hiking. I think we're about 10 to 20 minutes in. We still have like an hour and let's say about 40 minutes. So, but I'm keen. I'm ready, man. I'm excited. It's been a while since I took this walk, hike, basically. It's really beautiful. So I'm excited. I've been dealing with a lot of spiritual, well, basically I lost connection with my spirituality and I just gained it back again, sort of. I'm back in tune with my spirituality, so this is what I needed. You know, I'm praying as well, meditating and manifesting and just getting back on that routine every day, you know. But yeah, I'm so happy right now. I really am, and I'm grateful for the love of my life for taking me to this beautiful place. Like, thank you.
Sanibonani emakhaya. Ngicela nje ukubingelela wonke umuntu eMzansi Afrika. Njengoba nje ubona siphakathi emahlathini. Inkinga yenu ngihlala emadolobheni kakhulu. Angithandi ukuthi nibe phakathi nje nendawo with image. What's that? Didn't want it. It's getting hot in here, so take off all your clothes. I am getting so hot, I don't wanna get my clothes off.
Imagine if you had a lazy girlfriend.
Yo. If I had a lazy girlfriend, baby.
Imagine.
No ways, that wouldn't work, eh?
Yes. I'm used to this, my love. I love you.
I'm glad, I love you too.
Hey, beautiful. Hey.
Go chasing waterfalls.
I know. What's the actual fun? Hey!
Darling.
Darling! Darling! Hey!
In the water, like literally.
At this point.
And it feels so good, that's my thing.
Also because it's hot.
It's really nice. About how many Ks, baby? Alright. We thought that's the first waterfall, Ganti. That was a joke. That wasn't the first waterfall. That was the introduction. How are you feeling now, baby? Tell us.
You know that high when you landed and you smoke weed. That's how I feel right now. That's how. Can you look at this stuff? Like, can you look at this? I'm breathing, guys. I'm breathing. Like,
We need to prepare ourselves.
we need to fucking climb as well.
We're climbing that. So,
Like, wow.
Sizobona.
Let's do it.
I know you have short legs. You can do it. You can do it. She made it, guys. Now it's my turn.
How do you feel, my love?
I know I'm fantastic. Ijabulile. I'm with you in this beautiful location. I'm just happy.
You're happy, babe.
Yeah. So we've gotten this far. You know, this is like our anniversary hike.
Jen,
You know?
actually.
Yeah. So this is my surprise to you.
Thank you, my
I'm
love.
having a great time with you. Yeah, can feel my bones complaining. But you know, we put some oil earlier on the bones. So the machine is running smoothly. You're going up to see Jesus. You're gonna say hello to him. You're gonna see Jesus. Oh, hello. I'm gonna fucking, sorry for swearing, but yo, we're going up to have a meeting with the man above. He lives somewhere in the mountains. But jokes aside, our ancestors are with us, and as we're climbing these mountains, I can feel them. We're almost there. Almost there. That's where we're going. You're giving up. Don't give up, my love. We're almost there.
What's that? What's that?
Trail closed. Let's go right. You can see that it was fresh. There's a fresh path here. People are walking here.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can see. Babe, are we here? Are we here? Babe, we are here. Babe, we are here. We are here, literally. Baby, we are here.
Wait, yeah.
We're going.
What's CCP?
Babe, we are here.
Are we?
Literally. We're literally here. We are here.
Wow. Here it is.
Right. We are here. So, guys, we've arrived. This is the surprise that I wanted to show my girl. Deep inside the mountains, the waterfall. We're literally walking by the river. We'll show you guys everything, but this is it. You know, my love from me to you. You know, I love you, and there's not much that, you know, I can give you in life right now, but this is what I can give you, an experience.
Thank you. Let me go start there because wow. There it is. Woo! Fucking finally.
me, I don't want to like always be indoors. I'm an outdoors person, you know. Like you were saying earlier, like you're not a lazy person, and I love that about you. You're a go-getter. Like, you know, you wake up every morning and at the end of the day, you do what you gotta do. There's no two ways about it. And guys, because you and I, you know, we're gonna hustle, we're gonna go far. And I got you all the way. All the way I'm with you there.
I got you too, my love.
Kunzima, but we're gonna go conquer. And I like the fact that, you know, you're going through this journey where you're finding yourself. You know, because the journey in life is not complete. God never said, you know, this is where you're supposed to be.
Yeah.
Instead, God is showing you where you're gonna be, but you can feel it inside. This is where you wanna go. This is where you wanna be. You know, that's the thing about having faith and Ithemba. And you don't need a pastor to tell you that. It's something that is within you. You know? And I like that you're feeding to that, you know? Even though sometimes you can succumb to being depressed and not being where you're supposed to be in life, but this is a sign. What happened to both of us this year, us meeting each other, it's a sign that there's greater experiences in life. Because when I met you, yeah, I was not your type. I was not a type, guys. I was not a type, but here we are.
I'll throw this apple away. I'll throw this thing away. I'm enjoying this.
Yeah. No people like boiled eggs.
But like, I know. That's my Pringles. I'm gonna wear my top. Do your bundle.
Getting cold now.
Yes.
Yo, look at that chicken skin.
You see me, bro?
Fine, I'll make you warm.
How are you gonna make me?
Body heat.
Oh, my hair.
Hey. That's a good point. With that hair.
Oh, the ghetto hair. According to me.
You need to. Oh, is it mini?
Mini, babe.
It's mini.
But boy, it also had
Oh, I get.
fancy nuts.
Maybe must do this.
So good.
I want to grow with you.
Thank you, babe. I'm fun here. We're doing this. What's some Pringles up?
Yeah. What's cough?
Nobody look please.
Brah, leave my cheese flavor. You got your own family. Oh! She's hating because,
That's your.
you know,
This
cheese
flavor is the one.
Yeah, no, it's good. What?
Yeah.
Doesn't it taste like a burger in your mouth? Does it not taste like smoke?
It's when
Nice.
I first tasted this, man, so I still have this taste in my mouth, you know.
But we'll hit you up when we're going home. I'm just gonna enjoy nature now. You know. Have some Pringles. Enjoy my cheese flavor. So, bring home now. And I love this one.
Love you too.
Hey, look at that guy.
Thank you guys for joining us. Like, This is a beautiful vibe. Like, look at that mountain. Like, your guy.
Obuhle kwethu.
Yo. Nah. This was vibes.
Really. Mola mhlobo wami. Literally like, Mola mhlobo wami. Crazy views. No, it's really nice here. Coming, baby. Hey. Uthini umam Cynthia? Uthini umam Cynthia? Indodakazi yakhe yisho ihamba yodwa bandle. Angibulali.
Careful. Babe, can you be careful?
Frap. Kuyanyiwa. Kuyafiwa. Very dangerous where we're walking. Important skill to approach this water that we are about to embark. It's very critical that we make the right steps in life. Are you gonna go into the water
Yes, babe.
straight?
Yes, my love.
Can a man see in esihle? Sibona ukuthi waphapatiswa ngamanzi ase Jonkershoek.
Yama nabakwatolo, babe.
Hamba nabakwatolo. Sibonge. Mina ngakhetha enye indlela empilweni ukuthi ngiyohamba ngenye indlela. Cela nje bangikhanyisele abakithi. Ngoba asingami. You don't rush into things in life. In life, you must not rush into things because you will be caught up. That's why I'm taking necessary steps to not step on any water and still survive, because survival is the important factor of this whole excursion. We are done, baby.
We're done.
We're here earlier.
Tweeter.
Yeah. So finally done. Let's not slip.
Be
And
careful.
yeah, fam. It's a wrap.
It's a wrap from us. Thank you so much for watching. We enjoyed this hike
It was beautiful.
so much. It was beautiful. I feel so fresh. I feel so good.
It is fresh.
It is flipping fam. Yeah.
It is now, I think, towards 8 o'clock.
We've been walking.
Cheers,
Thank you guys for watching. Please do
Subscribe.
not forget to like, share, subscribe, tell your friends about it, and we'll see you next time on Nesi Adventures.
Yeah.
Bye.